Managing your money doesn't have to be complicated. The best way to take control of your spending is to create a vivid, real-time awareness of every dollar you have and every dollar you spend. This means knowing exactly where your money goes, not just in categories, but in detail, and using a system that forces accountability. Start by tracking every single expense as it happens. Use a digital wallet app or even a simple spreadsheet. The key is immediacy. When you spend, log it instantly. $3 for coffee, $27 for groceries, $50 on gas, everything must be recorded. This creates a clear picture of your cash flow. Over time, the data shows patterns you may have ignored, like daily small purchases that quietly drain your funds. Next, set a strict, visual budget for each category. Instead of just numbers on a page, make it vivid. If your weekly food budget is $150, break it down per day and visualize the spending. When $20 goes toward lunch, you immediately see how much remains. Physical cues, like using envelopes or digital alerts, strengthen discipline. Introduce deliberate pauses before spending. For purchases above a small threshold, wait 24 hours. This prevents impulse spending and reinforces conscious financial decisions. Over weeks, your brain starts associating spending with evaluation rather than habit. Automate savings and essential bills. Paying yourself first reduces the money available for non-essential purchases. Combine this with the tracking and vivid visualization, and you create a feedback loop that continuously reinforces awareness and control. The outcome is not just saving money, it's building a habit of intentional spending. Every dollar is accounted for, every choice deliberate. You stop wondering where money disappears, and instead, your finances become predictable, manageable, and stress-free. Control isn't about restriction, it's about clarity. When your money is visible and intentional, spending becomes a tool rather than a trap.